This is how to change your Coinbase currency. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Coinbase, and update the Coinbase app. Once you have updated, we're going to open it up. Either create or log into your account. You're going to see this screen. We're going to go to those dot icons. The very first option where it says your name, profile, and settings. Under account is going to say native currency. We care about that at the moment. Now here you're going to find the currency that you would like to use. There's a whole bunch. If you don't feel like scrolling all the way down or going back all the way up, you can go ahead and search in the top here. So just for reference, right now I am the United States dollar right there, as you can see. Let's go ahead and change it to the Canadian dollar. And as you can see, it is now CA plus some dollars. Same with the home page as well. So whatever currency that you would like to use, that is the setting that you will want to go to change it. That is how to change your Coinbase currency.